Hello and welcome to the What's New video for the Codeware Interface 2022. I'm excited to share with you what our team here at Codeware has been working on over the past year. For those not familiar with the Codeware Interface, this tool integrates your compress, pressure vessel, and heat exchanger design software with your CAD software such as SolidWorks and Inventor. In this video, we're not going to be covering the process of importing a model, but if you'd like to see how this works, I would encourage you to view our video, What's New for the Codeware Interface 2021, on our webpage, codeware.com, or on our YouTube page. This past year, we've really focused on creating a more complete drawing package for heat exchangers. This includes additional model and drawing details, but that's not all. We've also added some additional drawing features to the pressure vessel drawings as well, including detailed support drawings for legs. The addition of the leg support drawings means the Codeware interface is now able to create support detailed drawings for all the support types within Compress. So let's jump right into the new features, starting with the support drawing details. In this drawing, we can see that the joint details for the leg attachments, the angular position of the legs, as well as the component details for our pad and our base plate are included. In the bottom left, you will notice a bill of materials that is auto-populated with the legs, quantities, dimensions, and materials. Next, let's take a larger look and dive into those additional details in the drawing. The first changes that you will notice in the drawing packet include the addition of a cover page and nozzle schedule to the general arrangement page, which for heat exchangers will include additional sub-assembly nozzle tables for the front channel, rear channel, and shell drawings. The biggest change for 2022 is the updated format for the Tubesheet drawings. Overall, the format looks similar, however, separate drawings are now created for the front and rear tube sheets. This change allows us to display views of both the shell side and tube side of the tube sheet. With these additional views, critical details such as the tie rod and impingement rod hole information can be displayed on the drawing. In this drawing, we used color identification to determine the hole location as well as the hole callout tool to convey important machining information for the depth and the diameter of each hole. The use of the hole callout tool also carries over to the new vent and drain details. Now, when a vent or drain is created in your compressed model, that information is carried over to your SolidWorks model and drawing as seen in the detailed section view here, as well as the location of each vent and drain in the upper left-hand view of the tube sheet. You may also notice the tube sheet data table has been updated to work with the separate front and rear tube sheet drawings. Additional views of the number of tubes per pass, as seen here to the left of the table, and a block with the pitch pattern has been placed above the table. The last feature we will be discussing is the tube sheet joint detail block. This block will be created for tube-to-tube sheet joint configurations that use the UHX calculation method in Compress. Details such as the fillet weld size, groove weld, and tube thickness are indicated on these blocks from your